Hey guys, welcome back. It's your cousin Nappy Danny and I am back with another video. And in today's video, I will be doing a hot oil treatment with actual heat. If you are not already, go ahead and click that little red button that says subscribe so you can become a part of this nappy headed family and be an internet cousin, and we gonna share internet blood because blood is thicker than water. So the tool I will be using today, I actually got for Christmas. Shout out to Bay. And it is this Modern Elements hooded dryer. And it's short, so you can't see it. There we go. Let's tighten it up so we don't fall. This is it. Modern Elements. It has an off button, of course. I don't know why I said that. But it has a cool, low heat, and high heat. And it also has a switch for ionic, so you can turn it on or off. And I believe ionic is for like static electricity or lower frizz. So I'll just keep it on. But I'm not too sure what it really does because I ain't do all that. And it also has a switch down here where you can switch the directions of how it blows inside. And this part comes down. And when you put it down, that's when it cuts on. When you pull it up, it turns off if it's like on the side. So you can like take a break, lift it up, and it'll cut off. So I love this hooded part because like you can put your face right here. And you know how sometimes when you sit under the dryer, your eyes be burning? Well, if you put your forehead right here, it ain't gonna burn because it's not gonna get no heat in there. Anyways, for the products I'll be using to do my hot oil treatment, I'll be sectioning it off, of course, spraying it with my aloe vera juice, and then I'm going to take my oil mixture of avocado and olive oil, as well as argan oil, Jamaican black castor oil, and vitamin E oil. Let's shake that baby up. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. So, without further ado, is that how they say it? Let's get started. Alexa, play Never Recover by Lil Baby.
Never Recover by Lil Baby from Tidal.
TECHIE, fuck me, did he yeah, TECHIE, it's too long. Yeah. Hey, look, I bring her money, they change up the topic. I got a 19 and they fold in my pocket. She gave me a number, now I gotta block it. I'm mixing the dirty bills in with the profit. Clean that
Alright guys, so I finished adding all this oil to my hair. It's a lot. So I'm going to put it up and I am going to sit under the dryer for about 15 to 20 minutes. The reason that I want to start doing this and the reason that I wanted this period, and I'm so glad I got it for Christmas, was because I'm low porosity, and so it's hard for me to do like hot oil treatments without heat being added to the hair to open up my hair to make sure moisture gets in. Otherwise, I'm just putting product on top of my hair and it ain't doing nothing. So that's why I'm about to do this, because my hair need it. And I also wanted it for wash and goes, so that way I won't be sitting there with a blow dryer trying to dry my hair when I can sit under that baby. So we're going to see how this turns out, to see if it does really nice hot oil treatments for low porosity hair. And I'm going to, where's my bag? I'm going to do it on high heat. So I'm going to go ahead and set this to about 20 minutes. I might end it around 15 though. Depends on how hot it gets. It's burning my neck. Alright guys, so this is my completed look. I did a wash and go, of course, because it's the easiest thing in the world. I just rinsed it out as much as I could in the shower. It's oil, so really not that much. And then I just deep conditioned it. I still have like oil on my scalp, so hopefully that'll dry up by tonight. When I go to sleep, it'll suck it up like that. I didn't add any leave-in conditioner afterwards. I just did the deep condition. Rinsed it out, well, detangled it, and it detangled amazing, by the way, with like the oil in my hair from sitting under the dryer. Like I just literally was like, and it could have helped from me blowing it out, but usually like my blowouts get really like tangled after a while, and my ends were tangled. That's why I went ahead and did this. So it was like, and it slid through. It was gliding, okay? And it was amazing, okay? And then I went in with my kinky curly, this is a tongue twister. The kinky curly custard, so like a gel. I put that in my hair to define my curls, and then I sat back underneath the dryer for about 30 minutes to dry it, so I didn't stretch it yet. So this is pretty much the final result. But yes, I feel like my hair is extra soft with the custard in, and usually with the custard and my hair is not completely moisturized, my hair will be very, very dry. And the fact that I can still pretty much feel like it's being moisturized in the oil up in there, and then I still get the definition and the bounce. Yes, honey, I'm going to be doing this more often. I will be using my hooded dryer a lot in these videos, guys. So if you want to see a tutorial dealing with that, whether it be a deep condition, you want to see my new wash and go routine using that instead of me going to use a blow dryer, just let me know, because it helps out my arms, you know. I know they're toned, but they still be hurting when you got the blow dryer up there for like 30 minutes when you could just have a hooded one. But yes, this was amazing, and I will be doing this more often because my hair is always, lately it's been real dry, and I'm guessing it's because of the weather, but now it's not going to be dry. That's it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Again, if you are new, but you want to be my internet cousin and share the same internet blood, go ahead and click that subscribe button right now to be a part of this NappyHead family. And while you're at it, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, because you know you like it. I try hard, so just give it a thumb. Just even half of one, if they had that. I'd appreciate it. And lastly, go ahead and click the bell button so you can be notified every single time I post, which is now going to be on Fridays and Sundays, because I notice you guys love the weekend. Most of you guys are between ages 18 and 34. So y'all probably either in school, working, or both, okay? So I know the weekends is y'all free time, so I'm going to give it to you guys on the weekend. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, I just keep you satisfied through the weekend. You work 9 to 5, I'm the weekend, every weekend. You take Wednesday, Thursday, then just come on my channel. I think I got it covered for the weekend. So go ahead and click that bell button so I can keep you satisfied through the weekend, okay? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Bougie girl, grab that hand, bump that chick, ain't wanna dance. Excuse my friends, but I'm in France. I'm just saying. Prince William saying do it right if you ask me, cause I was him, I woulda married Kate and was Gucci my, was Louis my killer? Was drugs my dealer? Was that jacket my jilla? Doctors say I'm the illest, cause I'm